Estockoptiontrading.com and affiliates live trading Thursday, February the 4th, 2016 with my good friends Burt, Tweeter, Julie. My name is Hugh. That said, good trading, everybody. All right, we did get a launch pad right here. Launch pad trade. It is the time.
246 is the price on the 191.50s.
246. We're looking at the calls. 246 on the 191.50s.
Cheaper now, 243.
Okay, we're looking at next week. This is it right here, 243.
Yeah.
The time for the 9:35 for the launch pad. Okay, 9:35.
Hold off because we're getting a red candle right now. You know the rule, right? Wait to get a confirming candle. So we've got a green launch pad. We've got a red candle, so it doesn't confirm it yet. So just hold off.
So the direction has
if you haven't already bought.
Yeah.
I'd probably rather buy the 191s anyhow. I find the 50s don't move the same way that the even dollars do. I'm gonna get the 191s as soon as we get a green candle.
Okay. We may see a bounce back off the 10 and the 20 moving average. Now they're coming together here on the 5. That's going to lend a lot of support here, a lot of support. Okay. And so we may dip down to that, but not going to be of a concern here. Launchpad triggered at 9:35, and we are pulling back.
Now you can see the value of that rule to hold on.
Early in the morning.
I'm in at the 191. Sorry to interrupt you.
Oh, no, go ahead. That's
I got the 191s for 228.
Beautiful. Okay. And the reason is because we're getting a green coming back in, so it's a really better entry price. I'm going to be honest with you. Even if you got it at the top, don't worry about it. You're going to be fine. It's going to be fine. It's just a better buying opportunity. That's all. As a matter of fact, I wouldn't hesitate, but with even if you got it at the top, still taking your 6% out of that one. You're still going to be doing well. It's just that Burt's going to make more money now if he follows it all the way through. So I have no doubt it's going to be okay. Yesterday I got in early in the day here. Actually, that's not true. I got it at 9:50. I got these 192 calls. I got them for 257. This was, I think, 2 or 3 weeks out. I don't remember which one it was.
Okay, I'm out.
Already? You got your money already? Are you kidding me?
I got it.
That was what, 1 minute?
Yeah, actually, it was 1 minute.
Fine. That's okay.
Actually, I was in the process of putting my order up for the 6%, and when I went to submit it, it had already passed the target. So I took what was on the table at the time.
So you got your 6%, right? You got your 6%?
I did a little better than calculate this. 228 in, 246 out, 7.9%.
7.9. All right, congratulations, 7.9% for Burt. Also, congratulations to Dave. Dave K. He got him at 229 out of 245. He picked up just a tad under 7%, 6.98689. I'll call that 7%.
Attaboy, Dave.
Way to go. That's cool. That is so cool. That's how fast these things happen in a down market. So I tell you, you guys are really good. Burt, you, Dave, and I think a couple others are on the board here with that. Congratulations also to Tim C. Thanks you. 2 days in a row. Bought the 191 calls on the open for 249. Sold them a couple of minutes later for 275. 275 was 249 divided 26 cents, or 10.4% profit for Tim C. 10.4%. Good to see that. So thanks. Now imagine, so you made anywhere from 6, 7, 10%. You give a point back to your broker. You just made, even a net of 5%. You do that 20 times a month. You've just doubled your money. Well, I think the market's going up. I think it's going to go up. But
well, so did the launch pad, and the launch pad's not usually wrong.
And it did. And if you bought up there, rest assured, you got, number one, you got time. You bought insurance. No worries. Oh, I just got sold. Oh, I got filled at 347. I'm talking all the way through it. I should have moved my option up, but it's okay. I got the high of the day, 347, and it's going up. Hit the target. There it is right there. Oh, all yours, Jimmy. Go ahead.
I had bought my February week 4 191 calls earlier this morning. I bought them at 347. At 943, I bought some more to bring my average down. 395 for 10.02%.
Nice trade, Jimmy. Congratulations on it.
Yeah. I'm still in the February 190 calls.
Congratulations to John W. Picked up 6% in 1 minute. Okay. Jethro, congratulations to Jethro. He picked up 6.2% on the Launchpad trade. This is a little while ago. Sorry, 10:02. All right. Congratulations. I said John W., 10% in 12 minutes. Congratulations on the launch pad, 12 minutes, 10% for John W. I got to pull him up here on this thing here. Just see. Good morning, Rich. Rich H., how you doing? You there? Hello, Rich. I don't know if he's got a microphone or not.
Hugh, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Rich, are you still in the Philippines right now?
Yes, I live here.
Oh, you live there. Oh, okay, okay. I thought you were just visiting or something. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I've been visiting for 10 years.
Okay. Wow. I was going to say, how do you like it? But obviously you've answered that question pretty quickly.
Yeah, it's a low cost of living. The only bad part about it is being a day trader because it's not daylight right now. We're 13 hours ahead of the East Coast, so right now it's 11:15 at night.
Wow. Very nice. Very nice. Anyway, Rich, the question I want to ask you here is why would you put so much, folks, Rich put, tell him, Rich, how much money you had. I can't even say it in one trade. By the time you ended up that day, boy, you'd have been climbing the walls.
Well, let's not talk maybe in terms of total dollar amounts, but rather percentages of the total account.
Yeah.
So whatever my total account was, I had about 56% of it in that trade.
Okay. All right. Well, that's
Okay.
pretty heavy, but
Yeah, started out with, a much smaller amount, but what I think I told you, I doubled down 3 or 4 times. Yeah, it was about it was about $500,000. There, I let it go.
Yeah.
And it scared the bejeebus out of me. I was so scared, but then getting out of it was great. I called everybody who knew that I was scared, and then I watched, as I could have made so much more. I don't let that upset me. That's greedy, and one of my favorite expressions is pigs get fed, but hogs get slaughtered.
Yeah.
You're as old as me, so you've probably heard that. But like yesterday, I was able to make about 14% on the downhill slide. But had I not pulled the trigger, I would have made close to 90%. And I just haven't figured out, I have to watch your videos more, when to have faith in that it's going to keep going down. I picked up that you said that the market goes down like an elevator, up like an escalator, but I forget that sometimes. You got to watch this guy's videos and read his PDF files every week so that you can get 100 if you had to take an exam, because it's not bullcrap to get a college, piece of sheepskin. It's for a different kind of lifestyle. And I have made a ton of money since I started with you, and I've been with so many guys who said they were you, but you're the only one who's really you. And
Rich, that's Rich. Okay.
That's right. Thank you.
Thank you enough.
Yeah. Yeah.
Rich.
My favorite drink now has become Hugh.
Oh, brother. I'm embarrassed. I'm going to let you go on this one. Oh, my gosh. Thanks, Rich. You have a great day, great evening. So I hope you don't stay up all night doing this.
Okay, I don't. See you later.
Take care. Thanks, bud.
Thanks, Rich. That was a great little discussion. Very enjoyable for all of us to hear. He also proved just how strong his heart is, because I'm sure it got a real workout over that stress.
Yeah. Oh, for sure.
Well, I just sold my SPY February week 4 190 calls in at 410 yesterday. Expected a little bit more because I had to hold them overnight. Out today at 484 for 18%. That's close today is 28.06%. Plus another 15% on Monday and Tuesday. So that's over 40% for the week.
Greg S. He's saying here that if you'd have made more on the launch pad, just wait until for the candle to turn green. Did really well there. I want to bring the line up here with Bill W. here. Bill W. Good morning, Bill. Did I catch you off guard? Sorry, Bill.
No, not at all. Can you hear me, Hugh?
Yeah, loud and clear. Where are you located, Bill?
I'm in Sun City Center, Florida, which is about 30 miles south of Tampa.
Okay. Did you say Sin City?
Now everyone's too old for that.
I thought I heard Sin City. Okay, that's Nevada.
Yeah, that's Vegas.
Bill, what'd you do here? I'm just trying to do the math real quick. Looks like you got about 11% of your calls here.
About 11%. I was in a little early, but thank you for your course. I went over it numerous times, and I wrote it 10, 20-day moving average up. And as I've said in other emails I sent you, there was more to be made, but I'm also very happy and thankful for Burt and his software. I was getting 6%, 5% profit after commissions. But I listened to the Tuesday and Thursday live webinars and how other people were getting a few percent more, and we discussed it. You took time and explained everything to me in the class, and I studied it, and now more often than not I'm getting 8% and a touch more. So I'm very happy, and I can't thank both you guys enough for everything you've done, your knowledge and patience.
Bill, thank you so much. Appreciate those kind words. This is awesome. I'm really, really glad, really proud of you guys for doing so well. Double digits. You guys have been here for a while. You're pulling in double-digit profits on a daily basis. My gosh, that to me is a success, a runaway success. Thank you so much, Bill. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. I really need it.
Thanks, Bill. Thanks. And Burt, Rich loves the launch pad. Jets will say, yeah, okay. Dave K. Well, I'm done for the day. I hate to say, but my net profits. He got the 192.50s for 295. I don't know where he is now, but he's gone to Pebble Beach to play golf. So, or he's heading out there. So, all right. Congratulations for making some money there too. We're not over yet here, folks. We're not over. Rick is saying, Jim, you're welcome. Glad you enjoyed it. You're the best. Checking with him later. Congratulations to Rick B. Rick B. is another one of our Canadian friends here. He's got, wow, he says, wow, 3 trades, all calls, 10%, 10%, 10%. I'm done for the day. Thanks, guys. Congratulate him, too, for picking up 30% overall today on those trades. Nice work, Rick. Congratulations to David K. again. He picked up another 8% on those calls, the 192.50 calls. 8% for David K. on that. Way to go. Man, they're just pulling them in.
Sounds like he's having a heck of a day. And David, by the way, is a fairly new arrival to the group. How long has he been with us? Has it been a week yet?
I don't know. It could be something like that. I'm not sure.
A couple of days.
A few days.
At any rate, look at how he's banging them out of the park. And this goes to show you just how easy what we do is. You know, you don't have to learn spreads and butterflies and married puts. You don't have to learn everything. This is all you need to know, really.
Oh, jeez. You want to talk about some of those? Let me tell you, Burt, I've learned all about those spreads, and I'm still looking for that person who's doing exceptionally well on a consistent basis trading spreads. If any of you are doing that, let me know.
Don't want to hear about them. Been there, done that.
Got to congratulate Ariane on the 191 calls. Get this. She bought for 270 out at 328 for 21.5% profit. Congratulations, Ariane. 21.5% profit.
I think she's getting it. I remember when she first started with us, she used to write and say, no matter what happens, I just seem to be on the wrong side of the trade. And, now it looks like she's put it all together. So, well done.
Yeah.
Jethro says he's going fishing now.
He's going fishing, yeah. Burt, what did you do here? How about a bit of recap here? What did you do here, Burt? The host here.
Single trade, launch pad. Let's see, 191 calls, in at 228, out at 246. So a measly 7.9%, which pales in comparison to everybody else in the group's results.
7.9. That actually excites me too. These guys are doing a lot better than we are. As crazy as that sounds, but it's true. It's really kind of cool. Kind of cool. Let me see what I pull out of this thing here today. Okay, I got it at 931 on the 191 calls at 325 out of 347. That was at 1011. So I was in that trade for, let's see, 29, 39, 40 minutes. 40 minutes for 6.8% first trade. It's in that one a little bit heavier. My second trade, I got in at 1026. 1026, and I got out 24 minutes later at 1050. I got in for 293 out of 310 for another 5.8%. So that's 12.6% for the day, and I'm good with that. It's all good, right? We all made money. Congratulations to everybody for making money. Jimmy, you're doing exceptionally well. I love hearing your stories, man. I tell you, you're over 40% for the day, right? For the week, over 40%?
Yeah.
Man, that's great stuff. Great stuff.
That's not weak, that's for sure.
Oh, not at all. So,
It's pretty strong.
all right, gang. Thank you so much. It's truly been a pleasure. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Burt. Take care.
Life could be a dream. Life could be a dream. Shaboom. Life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open with me, boom.